Famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. In this video, we are a South African food YouTube. Oh my God, we are a South African YouTube food content YouTube channel. Yeah, and we cook what we have in our houses. Okay, without any waste of time, today we are cooking curry rice or rice curry. I don't know what is it, but we'll see. Remember, we are not chefs. I am not a chef. Asina chef, asina chefeni, asina chef riser. So I cook whatever that is in the house, and most of the time I cook I provide relatable content. I cook what I can afford. Please, but I don't get any funding for this content, okay? So I'm not gonna go all out and buy expensive things just for content, you understand? Unless if I was being sponsored, if you don't mind sponsoring me. So yeah, so anything. That is why I'm saying I bring a relatable content and cook whatever that you have in the house. I've been preaching. Let's get straight to the point. I hope you saw what I was showcasing there. I've also curry rice, something like that. Basmati rice. Yes, basmati rice. I think we cooked it already. It's somewhere in one of the videos, but today in a different style. Okay, now my first seasoning spices. Remember, most of the time I don't showcase my spices because we don't use and prefer the same spices. But yeah, that is mayonnaise. I love this mayonnaise. Then you mix them together. When you mix it together, make sure you mix. You know what? With your food content as a papa, with your food content is finally lulukisha relationship we luru I want a relationship we mara why horame jaga the soul tape. It's not easy. So if a lady check you camera wa ki make sure now o chela mafura nyana wa chela shebo sa hawa. Most of the time ba most of the time marinate your chicken with mayonnaise maybe for an hour. So before you start cooking, right? Okay, I know like abatat. Like chopper, which is not my favorite part. If you're a regular in this house, you know that I don't like chopping. But anyway, we chop because we don't have a choice. Don't forget to do what? Subscribe. And as you are subscribing, Mola, don't forget to comment and say hi, girl. Hi, Femi. Hi, Manyana. Hi, family member. Do tswere jwang and tell comment ale mpotse gore ke apieng le na monna ena e ke rata ngana ka re le useless mara nga se bolele re le useless mara e ke rata nka le botsa gore lena le useless because a le bolele selo mara le busy le tomotse mathomo le lebeletse content aka one ke tothakana le lena one by one and ke tlo lwa le lena ke tlo le gaola melala. Anyway, ke mola wa bona re thoma o jwang. It's your chicken is le fokotse wa pe ya chicken ya metsi. This thing yale na o phela motho a boetse khaba a gagabisha chicken o ka re wa peile a ke tsebo rena ma ya eng le ithutong wa pe dilo ine plus now ke December what's king is December time. People are waiting for you ko hae o roto ba bonchorna what were you up to throughout the whole year ko Gauteng o sa gone lo wa pe ya chicken it metsi rile pi ibile la kapoto ke mola ke chela my what is this parsley. This time around to kill parsley ya matlakala leaves, not the powder one. And then that's my onion. I'm cooking what's mayonnaise sale atsanella mo chicken. Even when you eat it, when you eat this kind of a chicken, the one that is cooked like this, it's soft. Now kare ngwanyana kare girlfriend we rata ka mmele pelo le moyo sengola wa o betha girlfriend in what's all right. That is my basmati rice there. You mix everything together so that now they can start dwelling together. Di kopana. Hey, rasa wena. Aha. Tagancha wena. Shit wena. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I have to flag this video that is not suitable for kids because wow. Did I just saw it? YouTube, please forgive me. Steam ke seo bana ba morena stibile camera. When I tell you that food content is not easy, I literally mean things like this. Ke mala ke ya kopantsha or di butswe kaofela. Don't forget to put spices of your favorite. Obviously, I added mixed veggies, stir fry. I added off camera, obviously, my different types of spices. I added salt. It was very nice. I believe so. It wasn't for me. I ate seafood. So yeah, but I believe they were very nice. So in a nutshell, thank you. That's how you cook your curry rice, basmati curry rice. Thank you very much for watching, and may God bless you, families. May God bless your family. May God bless your children. May God bless whatever that you possess. And I wish you nothing but the best December. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Until we meet next time, I love you.